What runs your electric toothbrush? An electric motor. But did you know that you can make your own electric motor at home? Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be making a Homo-polar electric motor. So let's get to it. Here are the materials we need. A roll of uninsulated copper wire, some neodynium magnets, a regular AA battery, and some pliers to cut the copper wire. Make sure you have a parent's permission before doing this experiment. First, attach the neodynium magnets to the bottom of the battery, the negative side. Then, cut out some of your copper wire and shape it to the shape as shown. Make the length of the shape shown so that the top, this little point, will touch the positive side of the battery and the bottom, the circle, will touch the neodymium magnets but not too tightly. Finally, take the shape of wire that you just made and slide it on top of the battery. Give it a little push and watch it spin. The electric current from the battery interacts with the magnetic field from the neodymium magnets, and together they create a force that pushes the copper wire, making the motor spin. The fancy name of this force is the Lorentz force. Now you know how to make a homopolar electric motor. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to press the subscribe button down below. See you next time!